Now this second order transfer function, from the second order transfer function we have finally found the step response of second order system. So we can write this equation as this. This is also the same, the step response of second order system. Now we can plot this. Now the plot of this response will look like this, and finally it will gain the stability and the value, steady state value will be 1. We'll prove that later. So now you can draw it yourself and you can find out the responses, and the plot will be like this. So there are several parameters like, or any specifications, time domain specifications or parameters which we have to calculate. I'll calculate those parameters in my second video. So till now you just know the things, know the names of those, and actually where it situated. So the names first you understand them. So the time to reach the 50% of the final value is called the delay time. So if this is the final value, means this is the final response value, that is 1, to reach the 0.5 means the 50% of the response, this time is called TD, that is delay time. This is the first parameter. Now to reach the 100%, the time taken, that is from 0, the time taken, that is called rise time, that is I am denoting with TR. This is rise time. Now the time to reach the peak of the response, that is this point, that is the peak, that is called the peak time, TP, somewhere over here. This is called TP, peak time. Now the other term, that is peak overshoot. We can denote peak overshoot here. So this is actually looks like a jump. The value of this is denoted by MP, that is peak overshoot. So if this part is peak overshoot, this part will naturally become peak undershoot, peak undershoot. Now there is a term called settling time. The tolerance band of 5%, where we find the tolerance band of 5%, to reach that moment, the time taken is settling time, TS, that is settling time. Now the last parameter, TS, will be somewhere over here, obviously. TS, that is settling time. The last term, that is actually the envelope. The envelope we find, the envelope is this. Envelope is here. Actually we can find it from 1 plus e to the power minus zeta omega n t by root over 1 minus zeta square. This is the envelope here, and this envelope we can find it from 1 minus e to the power minus zeta omega n t by root over 1 minus zeta square. So these are the all parameters which we got from a second order system step response. So now all the terms, peak time, rise time, delay time, all the equations we will find in the next video, and that video is most important, so don't miss that video. Like, share and subscribe, and share this video with your friends, and please subscribe and wait for the next video. I'll be uploading that soon and describing all the terms. Thank you.